Much luck with a utility knife that has the blade that adjusts in and out, because if you press down on that, it's going to make the blade push in. But let's go ahead and try this. You can still find the fixed blade ones at the flea market. Let's see if a utility knife will work. Got the elevated floor out of the way. All right, let me show you how we're going to lay this out. Let's just guesstimate about an inch. And we'll bend it up to maybe about right here. It doesn't have to be that. Let's make it about the thickness of that. Let's bend it up to about right here. See, I pushed down on that button again. Let's try to do it without pushing down on the button. Good. Now on this one, let's go ahead. I don't like the line being that low, so let's draw another line. Now these will be triangles. I want them to cut all the way out. Take the plugs all the way out. I got to stay off of that button. Now, while we still have the strength, let's get Let's get in between these two knobs right here and go ahead and cut an opening for the feed hole. This looks like it's about the center, and I want it about that long. And let's leave a strip right in the middle of it. How about that? Get it come across here. That'll be our feed hole. Let's see what we can do with that. Got to stay off of that button. What do you think? Too many sharp edges for you? You'd be right. Lots of sharp edges. Let's go ahead and bend up our tabs for the suspended floor. I wonder if I could do this to where you could see it better. Maybe you can see that. Oh, kind of forgetting something here, ain't I? And the Swiss Army knife lip removal tool. And I got paint residue on the bottom of that lip, so I'll be going slower than usual. I'm gonna get some pliers and we'll bend that in. All right. Everything's laying down good enough. Now, let's go ahead and put our suspended floor in there. Oh, sweet. Nothing left to do now but to try it out. Let me get set up to try it out. Hold on. All right, these are pine needles, softened up, processed. Bamboo is great for tinder. We get down in here in a little feed hole if it's burned out enough yet. Which it hasn't. Look how it's burning the sap out of that stump. That's how hot the bottom is. So when you get a chance, get you 4 1/4-inch bolts, 1.5 inch, 2 inch, something like that. Pop your 4 holes in the bottom and set it up on legs. All right, y'all. Thanks for joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.